Have you ever pondered the essence of your existence, questioning the deeper purpose behind the intricate tapestry of life? In the pursuit of understanding our place in the cosmos, a profound concept emerges, that of spiritual beings having a human experience. This notion invites us to explore the idea that beyond our earthly form, we are fundamentally spiritual entities, temporarily inhabiting the human realm to glean lessons and evolve. Let us embark on a journey to unravel the layers of this captivating perspective. The spiritual essence within. At the heart of the concept of spiritual beings having a human experience lies the exploration of the spiritual essence residing within each individual. This notion suggests that beyond the physical and tangible aspects of our existence, there exists an intangible eternal core that defines our true nature. The journey into understanding this spiritual essence involves peeling away the layers of societal conditioning, personal narratives, and egoic identifications to reveal the timeless and boundless nature of the soul. The spiritual essence is often described as the eternal flame that flickers within, connecting us to a higher divine source. It transcends the temporal nature of our physical bodies and encapsulates the essence of who we are at the most fundamental level. This spiritual core is believed to be unaffected by the transient nature of the material world, providing a stable anchor amid the ebb and flow of life's experiences. Exploring the spiritual essence within involves introspection, meditation, and a willingness to venture beyond the surface-level understanding of oneself. It requires a shift in perspective from the external to the eternal, acknowledging that our true identity goes beyond the roles we play, the achievements we accumulate, and the challenges we face. In recognizing this essence, individuals may begin to experience a profound sense of interconnectedness with all of existence. Moreover, understanding the spiritual essence within is not confined to any particular religious or philosophical framework. It is a universal concept that transcends cultural boundaries, inviting individuals from diverse backgrounds to explore the common thread that unites humanity at a spiritual level. As we delve into the depths of our spiritual essence, we embark on a transformative journey of self-discovery, aligning with a deeper understanding of our purpose and connection to the vast, mysterious cosmos. Lessons in human form. The concept of spiritual beings having a human experience invites us to contemplate the purpose and significance of our earthly sojourn. This perspective suggests that our existence in human form is not merely coincidental, but serves as a profound opportunity for spiritual growth and evolution. Within the confines of our mortal bodies, we encounter a myriad of experiences and challenges, each carrying valuable lessons for the enrichment of our souls. Life unfolds as a journey of continuous learning, and the human experience becomes a classroom for the evolution of consciousness. The trials and tribulations we encounter are not arbitrary. Rather, they are intricately woven into the fabric of our spiritual curriculum. These lessons may manifest as personal struggles, interpersonal relationships, or encounters with adversity, each presenting a unique opportunity for self-discovery and growth. The challenges we face are not meant to be insurmountable obstacles, but rather gateways to deeper understanding and spiritual maturity. Through navigating the complexities of human existence, individuals have the chance to cultivate virtues such as resilience, compassion, empathy, and wisdom. The very fabric of our struggles becomes a canvas upon which we paint the masterpiece of our spiritual development. Moreover, the concept of lessons in human form encourages a shift in perspective, inviting individuals to view hardships not as punishments but as opportunities for refinement. Each experience, whether joyous or painful, is a stepping stone towards a higher state of consciousness. It is through the crucible of human existence that our souls are polished and refined, gradually aligning with a more profound understanding of our interconnectedness with the universe. In essence, the notion of lessons in human form underscores the transformative nature of our experiences, emphasizing the inherent value of each moment in shaping the destiny of our souls on this intricate journey of spiritual awakening. Transcending material realms, the concept of spiritual beings having a human experience beckons us to contemplate the idea that our spiritual nature transcends the confines of the material world. It invites individuals to explore the delicate balance between navigating the physical realm and maintaining a connection to their higher selves. This journey towards transcending material realms encompasses various practices and perspectives aimed at elevating consciousness beyond the limitations of the tangible and temporal. At its core, transcending material realms involves recognizing that there is more to existence than what meets the eye. It encourages individuals to question the illusion of separateness created by a material world and to explore the interconnectedness of all life. This perspective suggests that the pursuit of material possessions and societal status, while valid in the human experience, is not the ultimate purpose of our spiritual journey. Spiritual practices such as meditation, mindfulness, and contemplation become pathways to transcendence, offering a means to quiet the noise of the external world and turn inward. By engaging in these practices, individuals can tap into a deeper sense of self and connect with the eternal aspect of their being. Through such experiences, one may glimpse the boundless nature of consciousness that extends beyond the transient nature of the physical body. Furthermore, the exploration of transcending material realms does not necessitate a rejection of the material world, but rather a harmonious integration of the spiritual and the material. It involves navigating the challenges of daily life while maintaining a sense of inner peace and spiritual connection. This delicate dance between the spiritual and the material realms becomes a transformative journey, allowing individuals to live in the world without being consumed by it. In essence, transcending material realms is an invitation to shift our focus from the external to the internal, recognizing the profound depth of our spiritual existence amidst the transient nature of the material world. It is a journey towards balance, where the pursuit of spiritual understanding enriches and complements the human experience in a harmonious union of the physical and the metaphysical. Awakening the inner spirit. The concept of spiritual beings having a human experience prompts a journey into the exploration of awakening the inner spirit. It beckons individuals to delve into the depths of their consciousness, seeking to unearth and amplify the dormant spiritual energies that lie within. This awakening process involves a profound shift in awareness, inviting individuals to transcend the limitations of the egoic mind and connect with a higher state of consciousness. Awakening the inner spirit is a transformative quest that encompasses various practices and approaches. Meditation stands as a cornerstone, providing a gateway to stillness and self-discovery. Through meditation, individuals cultivate a heightened sense of awareness, creating space for the inner spirit to emerge from the depths of silence. This practice allows for a direct connection with the essence of one's being beyond the chatter of the external world. Self-discovery becomes a key element of this awakening journey. It involves a process of introspection, contemplation, and mindfulness, enabling individuals to unravel the layers of conditioning and false identities that may veil the true self. As the layers are peeled away, the authentic essence of the inner spirit begins to shine forth, illuminating the path to a more profound understanding of oneself and the interconnected nature of all existence. Moreover, various spiritual traditions and philosophies provide guidance on techniques and principles for awakening the inner spirit. From ancient wisdom to contemporary teachings, individuals have access to a rich tapestry of knowledge that can facilitate a spiritual awakening. Practices such as yoga, breathwork, and energy healing serve as tools to cleanse and revitalize the energetic pathways within, fostering a deeper connection to the spiritual dimensions of existence. In essence, awakening the inner spirit is a personal and transformative journey that transcends religious or cultural boundaries. It is an invitation to explore the vast landscape of one's inner world, unlocking the latent potential for higher consciousness and spiritual illumination. As individuals embark on this journey, they may discover that the awakening of the inner spirit not only enriches their personal lives, but also radiates outward, contributing to the collective elevation of human consciousness. Embracing unity and connection. In the exploration of spiritual beings having a human experience, a compelling theme emerges, that of embracing unity and connection. This perspective invites individuals to reflect on the interconnectedness of all beings and the cosmos, transcending the boundaries that often fragment the human experience. Embracing unity and connection involves recognizing the shared essence that unites us all, fostering a profound sense of compassion, empathy, and understanding. At its core, this concept challenges the illusion of separateness that pervades the human experience. It encourages individuals to look beyond superficial differences and embrace the fundamental truth that we are all interconnected threads in the vast tapestry of existence. This recognition of unity serves as a potent antidote to divisions fueled by race, religion, nationality, and other societal constructs, fostering a more inclusive and compassionate worldview. The journey towards embracing unity and connection encompasses a shift in consciousness, inviting individuals to transcend the egoic mind and recognize the divine spark within each being. It involves cultivating a deep sense of empathy, understanding that the joys and sorrows of others are intimately intertwined with our own human experience. Compassion becomes a guiding force, propelling individuals to act in ways that contribute to the well-being of the collective whole. Spiritual practices such as loving-kindness meditation and acts of service become avenues for expressing and embodying this sense of unity. By extending compassion and goodwill towards others, individuals actively participate in the co-creation of a more harmonious and interconnected world. This perspective aligns with the ancient wisdom found in various spiritual traditions, emphasizing the interconnected nature of all life. Moreover, embracing unity and connection goes beyond interpersonal relationships to encompass a broader ecological and cosmic perspective. It involves recognizing our interconnectedness with the natural world and the cosmos, understanding that the well-being of the planet is intricately linked to our collective actions. In conclusion, the concept of embracing unity and connection is a profound invitation to transcend divisive narratives and foster a sense of oneness with all of existence. As individuals align with this understanding, they contribute to the emergence of a more compassionate, empathetic, and interconnected world, where the human experience is enriched by the tapestry of shared consciousness.